This video is for looking at how to do the Lewis dot drawings for ionic bonding. We've seen how to use the crisscross to get our calcium bromide. Now we want to be able to draw this. Calcium, being first, came from a positive charge. And if you remember on your periodic table, it's a +2. Bromine, being second, came from a negative charge. From the periodic table, it's -1. In order to draw a +2 ion, we're going to take that calcium, place it in brackets. To become +2, it has lost 2 electrons, so there are no dots, and then we just add a +2 on the outside. For bromine, we're going to put it in brackets as well, since there is a charge. It is a -1, but in order to get a -1, it has actually gained an electron. To gain an electron means they're actually going to end up with 8 of them, so we're going to place 8 dots around the bromine. To double check our Lewis dot drawing, we need to make sure the final charge when they're put together is 0. If you notice, calcium is a +2, bromine's a -1, that leaves us at a +1, and that is a problem. In order to fix it, we're going to simply add in one more bromine. It's going to look the same as the other one. Brackets, -1. Being negative means it gets 8 dots. And now I've got a +2, -1, -1. That gives me a 0. That is the complete Lewis dot diagram for an ionic bonding. Notice in the original formula I have 1 calcium part, 2 bromine, 2 bromines. They should match. When we continue and we look at a reduced charge, for instance, taking a look at my calcium and oxygen, the calcium oxide, remember calcium is still that +2 charge, so it's listed first. Oxygen on your periodic table was a -2, listed second. When we go to draw this one, yes, you will have your calcium. It is still a +2 charge because that is the original amount of charge it had at the beginning. Even though it reduces in order to do the crisscross, you go back to the original charge. The oxygen, we're going to bring over, put it in brackets. Since it is a negative, it will need 8 dots. And now when I look at my charges to check, I have a +2, a -2. Those together give us our 0. I don't draw any more. And notice in our formula, I have 1 calcium, 1 oxygen. We are finished with the reduced one.